Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at an example of how to apply the FTC Part 2. So suppose a tank is being filled with water at a rate given by the function r of t equals 3t plus 1 liters per minute, where t is time in minutes. Find the total amount of water added to the tank between t equals 2 and t equals 5. So first thing we want to do is we want to note that it says find the total amount. This is tipping me off that this is an accumulation problem, and that's how I know that I want to use FTC Part 2 in this case. And just as a quick refresher, basically FTC Part 2 is what tells us that we don't have to use Riemann sums to find the area under the curve. Instead, we can use the antiderivative. So in order to solve this problem, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the antiderivative of r of t. So you can see here we let f of t equal the integral of r of t, which is just 3t plus 1 dt. And we go ahead and use our derivative rules to get the derivative. So there we used a combination of the constant and power rules in order to get this. So now we're going to go ahead and apply part 2 of the FTC to find the total amount of water that was added. So from here, we're just going to put boundaries on our integral. So we are going to take the integral from 2 to 5, which is equal to f of 5 minus f of 2, as I have written out there. From here, all we're doing is we're taking our integral equation here, and we are just plugging in 5 first for t, and then we're subtracting 2 plugged in for t, which is you can see what I've done here. This step is just simplifying, right? 5 squared is 25, 2 squared is 4, and then from there, I just continue to simplify. You can go ahead and pause the video and walk through that if you'd like. But basically what we found after doing that was we found that the total amount of water added to the tank was 34.5 liters. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.